I made an AI agent forget what it had done 53 times in a row on purpose. I'll explain why in a minute, but it's an example of why less is often better than more at a time when we're having increasingly massive models thrown at us. To be honest, I'm getting a bit fed up of AI models turning up uninvited all the time. I mean, it's getting a bit wearing. Just look at this. What? Huh? It's crazy, isn't it? Fable's been released, banned, unbanned, and apparently distilled, all while Anthropic was getting us addicted to state-of-the-art Fable smarts, and then it all got whisked away into a VIP-only area. Since it was created, Fable's been more elusive than Bigfoot. Maybe that's why it's called Fable. And then just when you thought the dust had settled, back pops Anthropic like Columbo and says, just one more thing, you can all have Opus 5, which, by the way, is better than Fable and cheaper. Yep, Opus draws better hedgehogs than Fable. They're just messing with us, aren't they? The thing is, using these beasts to make your next-gen to-do list is like using a particle accelerator to crack a nut. And to prove it, let me show you why a middling model that's constantly having its memory wiped is a great solution to a problem. Here's the problem I needed to solve. Bought these about a year ago. It's a system for helping you write better, more engaging stories. It consists of 53 cards that are all linked together, and it's really clever and well designed. But I rarely got them out of the box. It's all just a bit analog. So I photographed every card in the deck on the front and back with the idea of making a smart digital version. But smashing 106 images into a single session will spend your tokens faster than a sailor on shore leave. Here's what I actually did. This is what the loop does. Each iteration, it resets the context. And so the agent didn't see 106 images, it saw two, front and the back of one card, and turned them into a markdown file. And then it forgot everything. Then it looked at what files existed, worked out which cards hadn't been done yet, and did the next one. 2 images and then a memory reset 53 times. It only knew it was finished because the folder contents told it. It's like in the film Memento, when the hero wakes up every day with no memory and he's only got his notes to help him solve a murder. When the loop finished, I used one prompt to organise the files, which was nice and cheap because they're just text now, and then another prompt to make it into a browsable site with working links. 3 prompts and a middling agent, and you get this. Here it is as a website, and it's got working links as well. It's pretty impressive, I think. So I wasn't that bothered when Fable got upgraded to business class. As a solo dev, I wasn't actually using Fable to write code. I did use it to create plans for smaller, cheaper models to execute. Once you've got a plan, you can use loops to work through those step by step. I also use Fable to create plans for me, like a co-founder or partner in the business. For example, I got it to design a whole email outreach campaign for my estate agent newspaper product. But I'll be using Sonnet to execute that plan day by day in Copilot. Again, no frontier level intelligence needed. When Fable went pay-as-you-go, Anthropic gave us some credits to soften the blow, but most of my balance is still there. Next time a new model launches and the internet loses its mind, just think, what are you going to do with this model? Do you really need it? Most of the time you don't, and I've got an unused credit balance and a snazzy digital slide deck to prove it. Keep prompting and pushing, people.